Lagi na lang nasa pasyala lang nanay ko. Ano sasabihin mo kay Tek? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yan, happy birthday to you. Birthday mo today. Okay, happy birthday. Ito na nga, dumating na ang celebrator. Celebrator. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Again.
One more time.
Parang walang gana. Parang hindi niya kumain.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Guts namin ni Kiyo dito. Guts namin ni Kiyo dito.
Happy birthday. How old are you now? Alright. Very good.
Papatayin yung
My brother cutting the cake. Ang sarap ng cake. Wow! Ayan na. Oh, sige yun naman.
You turn right here, Arya. The last time that I saw him was yung mother niya nasa bahay niyo ako. I prayed for all of you at that time. So now, looking at you, you look good. Kasi comparison ko yung nandoon ka sa bahay, di ba? So, you have moved on. Tapos, you are a picture of success, sabi ko nga. And you know, success is not so much yung tinitingnan lang nito. You look good, kaya you look like a picture.
Message ko, wala na masyadong mag-message kay Uncle Tek. Dahil sa vlog na ito. Ayun, so for Uncle Tek and Roy, happy birthday. More blessings and good health para sa inyo. Thank you.
For Uncle Tek.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ted.
Thank you.
Wish ko stay healthy, more money, and sana laging masarap ang kape mo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wala man lang nag-wish ang love life, gano'n?
Pwede ako mag-lash nun.
For Uncle Tek, many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and productive. Stay as you are. And for Gio, same. Stay healthy. More jobs, more savings and everything. Stay healthy.
Thank you.
Maging katulad ka ng dati.
Kay Dio.
Wala naman akong kontra sa kanya.
Kay Dio boy.
Eh, Gio, mag-ipon-ipon na siya ng pera para marami siyang pera sa bangko.